Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Taurus. What's up with you ngayong March 2025? So, you have the 4th house. So, isa sa focus mo ngayong March ay family life, home life. You have Neptune in Scorpio. Neptune is your creativity. This is your imagination. Scorpio is also an energy of very deeply invested, no? So, pwedeng meron kayong project, creative project sa bahay, sa bahay ninyo, pwedeng may mga renovations kayong gagawin or redesigning, or some of you might obsess about having your own house, na yung tipong parang ayan yung nagiging reason mo, yan yung nagiging inspiration mo to work harder para ma-achieve mo yung bahay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo. You also have Canas. Canas, this is about creativity. So, maaring you will have creative ideas ngayong March that will lead you to opportunities na pwedeng magpasok ng income para sa'yo. Okay, some of you pwedeng meron kayong creative talents, creative skills na pwede nyong gawin sa bahay lang. And maaari kayong kumita, no, sa bahay lang, at the comfort of your home. So, you are going to share your talents, your skills, and you're going to be very passionate about it. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are into the occult or the esoteric, no? Yung kagaya nito, tarot reading, astrology, spirituality, things like that. Okay? You also have, this is Dagas. Dagas is about hope, self-love, taking care of your needs. So, ngayong March, bibigyan mo rin ng attention yung sarili mo, yung mga pangangailangan mo, pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay breadwinner, no? So, karamihan sa mga breadwinner, sila yung nag-aalaga doon sa mga mahal nila sa buhay. So, ngayon naman, ikaw naman yung gagawin mo ring priority, no? Na alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. So, you have now this. Now this is about limitations. This is about frustrations. So, maaring maka-experience ka ng ganyan kasi kung may mga bagay na gusto kang madaliin, gawin, makita agad yung resulta, magiging frustrated ka lang kasi lahat ng bagay merong prosesong kailangang pagdaanan. And you have to be open to go through the process na i-enjoy mo yung proseso. Hindi mo kailangang madaliin. Okay, let's see what else. Taurus, you have Libra energy. So, bringing balance into your life. Maaring naging very busy ka sa ibang bagay. So, ngayon namang March, yung iba mong priorities or yung ibang importante na bagay sa buhay mo, bibigyan mo rin ng attention. You also have conjunction, which is alliance. Merong mga taong tutulong sa'yo sa mga goals mo. This can be your family. Let's say may project ka sa bahay, so someone is also willing na mag-shell out ng pera, ng funds for that project na gusto mo. Some people are also going to be there para sa pangarap mo. Some sort of assistance. You also have nurture. Yes, so ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong pag-aalaga sa inyong sarili. Parang minsan kasi ang hirap na kumbaga madaling sabihin na alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Pero, meron kang mga bagay na kailangang unahin kaysa sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? So, you owe it to yourself na alagaan yung sarili mo. Your overall energy is the 7 of Swords. This is dishonesty. Okay. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, hindi kayo nagiging honest sa sarili nyo about what you really want. Na okay lang ba kayo? 'Di ba? Minsan kasi tatanungin tayo ng iba sa, okay ka lang? Okay ka lang ba? Pero, sasabihin natin, okay lang ako. Pero deep within you, durog na durog ka na. Your challenge is the Ace of Cups. Ang Cups kasi is about love, feelings. So, nasa challenge mo siya. Maaring nahihirapan ka ngayon na mahalin yung sarili mo. Kaya nga, ang reading for you is to take care of yourself. Okay? Prioritize yourself. Yung iba naman sa inyo, parang pagdating sa relationship, pagdating sa love, nahihirapan na kayong magtiwala. Parang ayaw nyo na. Hindi na kayo naniniwala sa relationship. Maaring dahil sa naging experiences ninyo in the past, may panloloko. So, kaya parang you feel like, kailangan mo pa bang maniwala? 'Di ba? So, there is a new connection or a potential relationship para sa inyo. Kaya lang parang hindi na kayo ganun ka-open. Your opportunity is the world. Ang daming opportunities for you, Taurus. Kaya siguro, parang gusto mong samantalahin ngayon yung dumarating na mga opportunities for you na ayaw mong makalagpas sa'yo. Some of you, international travels, pwedeng opportunity abroad, or trading internationally, no, na meron kang mga clients sa ibang bansa. You also have the opportunity to close a chapter in your life para makapagsimula ng bago. Ito yung mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go, to end. You are now entering a new chapter. So, your focus is the Three of Pentacles. Trabaho, career. Ang focus ninyo. You are networking, you are expanding your career, your business, lalo na sa mga may business sa inyo. You're expanding your business. Meron din ditong may nagsisimulang contract or new project. Your blessing is the Elder of Wands, which is about freedom. So, meron kang kalayaan na magawa ang gusto mo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, ang blessing na to is opportunity sa ibang bansa, lalo na kung gusto mong pumunta sa Middle East. Magagandang opportunity doon. Situation in the balance that require careful handling. So yes, like what I mentioned kanina, bringing balance into your life. Ano masabi? Keep your life in balance. Ano ba, Taurus? Bakit hindi balanse, ha? Oo. Ano lang, lahat bigyan mo ng importansya, lahat bigyan mo ng atensyon, hindi lang sa isang bagay. Na yes, may focus ka, but you also need to know yung mga responsibilities mo. Oh my God. New home, new attitude. Yung iba pwedeng bagong bahay, bagong trabaho, bagong office, bagong lugar na titirahan mo. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Ayan. So, pagdating rin sa emotions ninyo, huwag kayo basta-basta magpapadala sa emosyon ninyo, lalo na kung kayo ay galit, masama ang loob, kasi maaring meron kayong masabi or magawa na bagay na pagsisisihan nyo lang in the long run. Okay? So, manage your emotions. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.